In this video, I'm going to show you how to find missing emails in Gmail. So if you haven't received an email or you've received an email but you can't find it in your inbox, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and find this. Now I'll be showing you this on a computer, but this will also work on the mobile app as well. So the first thing you want to do is just come down to this left-hand navigation and you'll see we have all of these different folders. Now obviously the first thing you want to do is go through each of the different folders and you can just make sure the email's not hiding in any of these different places. Now you can also click on more in the left hand side, and you'll also want to check this spam email box as well at the bottom here. Sometimes emails can end up in the junk folder or the spam folder accidentally, so if you can't find the email in your main inbox, then you can try looking in here instead. Now if you can't find it in any of these, you can also click on trash from the left hand side, and if the email's accidentally been deleted, then it should end up in this folder and it will basically stay in this folder for 30 days. Now another thing you can do is if you know the email address of the person that sent you the email, then you can go and use this search box, and then you can go and search for the email address of the person that you're looking for. You can then click on this button that says all search results for, and this will show you all of the different emails for this particular sender. Now if you still can't find the email, the last thing you need to do is go and check your Gmail storage. So if you're running out of storage space, this can be another reason you might not be receiving emails. So we're just going to click on our profile icon in the top right hand side and select manage your Google account. You can then scroll down and you should see your account storage. Click on this and just ensure that your storage space here isn't full and restricted. So you can see I have plenty of storage space, so I should be fine to receive emails. But if for some reason this is full and you can't receive emails, you can always click on this clean up space button and you can try deleting a few things in order to start receiving emails again. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.